Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the part 1 of our December 2021 Current Affairs MCQ video, जिसमें हम लोग कई सारे important MCQs discuss करेंगे and this is going to be very important for all the upcoming exams. Hence, please watch the video till the end and also attempt the assignment questions which will be at the end of this video. And friends, also I will request you to please visit novation.in. यहाँ पर आप लोग कई सारे important MCQs पा सकते हैं and you will also get the free PDFs of the lectures I'm posting here. And as always, अगर आपको Novation का content अच्छा लगता है, so please go ahead to the donate button and help Novation. Alright, so with that I'll start today's session. The first question for today: which state officially launched the Call Your CoOp mobile app recently? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Nagaland. Let's see the PTN. So this app will enable all citizens of the state, especially those in distress, to get in touch with the police directly with just a few clicks on the app. Next, who recently won the 2021 Ballon d'Or, adding the 7th golden ball to his account? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Lionel Messi. So in 2021, Lionel Messi got the Ballon d'Or, and the 34-year-old is now presently playing for Paris Saint-Germain football club, and he won Ballon d'Or in 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 19 and 2021. Okay. Now next is, according to Economist Intelligence Unit EIU, which is now the world's most expensive city to live in? दुनिया की सबसे महंगी सिटी रहने के लिए है वो है डी, टेल अवीव. So it is now the most expensive city and it was on the 5th position in 2020, और 2 साल में ही almost 1.5 year में it has overtaken Paris and became the most expensive city to live in. Next, recently which airport has been adjudged Best Airport in India and Central Asia 2021 by Skytrax? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Indira Gandhi International Airport. So the Minister of State for Civil Aviation, General V.K. Singh, also announced that along with IGI, that is Indira Gandhi Airport Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bengaluru, they all featured in the top 100 airports of the world by Skytrax. Next, name the bowler who recently became the 3rd bowler in the world to take all the 10 wickets in an inning of a test cricket. So friends, very important question. Here the correct answer is C, Ajaz Patel. इन्होंने एक इनिंग में पूरे के पूरे 10 विकेट चटकाए and his spell was out of 47 over, 12 were made in, 119 runs were given and 10 wickets were taken by Ajaz Patel. And he now became equal to Jim Laker and Anil Kumble, and he achieved this rare feat against India. He is from New Zealand. Okay. Next is, in Germany, who is elected as the country's next chancellor by the parliament? And here the correct answer is A, Olaf Scholz. And before Olaf, Angela Merkel was the chancellor. इनको अभी December 8th को ही elect किया गया है as the chancellor. So this ends Angela Merkel's 16-year-old reign and ushers a new political era in Germany. Next, who has been recently conferred with 57 Gyanpith Award for the year 2022? Friends, this is the highest literary award in India और ये दिया गया है C, Damodar Mauzu को. So he is a 77-year-old writer and he was conferred with country's highest literary award for outstanding contribution to the literature. Next, who won the gold medal in men's 55 kg snatch category at the ongoing Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2021 in Tashkent? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Sanket Mahadev Sargar. इनको वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप का खिताब मिला है in this category. So he created the national record by lifting 113 kg in the men's 55 snatch category. Next, who among the following took the mantle as chairman of Chief of Staff Committee to ensure synergy among the 3 defense forces? Friends, here the correct answer is B, General M.M. Narvane. So friends, as you all know, after the unfortunate demise of CDS, Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, and until the new CDS is appointed, General M.M. Narvane is going to head this committee and will maintain synergy between the 3 defence forces, that is military, air force and navy. Next, what is the rank of Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in the Forbes 100 most powerful women in the world? So friends, Nirmala Sitharaman among others have been included into this Forbes most powerful women top 100 list, and she has been ranked 37, that is the highest from India. And along with her, HCL Corporation CEO Roshni Nadar Malhotra, Biocon Chief Executive Chairperson Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, and Nykaa founder Falguni Nayar were also present in this top 100 list. Next, according to a report by Lowy Institute of Asia Power Index 2021, India has risen as the dash most powerful or influential country in Asia. Friends, here the correct answer is fourth. So एशिया में सबसे ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस जो करता है उसकी लिस्ट में भारत चौथे नंबर पर है. अगर हम टॉपर्स की बात करें तो ये फर्स्ट इज़ यूएस का सबसे ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस है, सेकंड इज़ चाइना एंड थर्ड इज़ जापान. उसके बाद आता है फोर्थ पर भारत. ओके एंड सो इंडिया का स्कोर जो है फ्रेंड्स लास्ट ईयर के मुकाबले 2 पॉइंट से कम हुआ है. दिस शोज दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू लोईज इंस्टीट्यूट दिस इन्फ्लुएंस हैज एक्चुअली डिक्रीज्ड. नेक्स्ट इज as per a new report by Reporters Without Border organization, which country is the biggest captor of journalists? Friends, here the correct answer is A, China. So China में ही सबसे ज़्यादा जर्नलिस्ट को अभी बंदी बना के रखा गया है. अराउंड 127 जर्नलिस्ट, प्रोफेशनल एंड नॉन प्रोफेशनल, आर डिटेन्ड बाय द कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ चाइना रिजीम, रिवीलिंग दैट द एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिजीम्स कैंपेन ऑन रिप्रेशन अगेंस्ट द राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन. वहाँ पर राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा सप्रेस किया जाता है एज पर दिस रिपोर्ट बाय द CPC. नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बिकेम द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट पेपरलेस गवर्नमेंट? Friends, very good initiative, I would say. Here the correct answer is D, Dubai. So an announcement was made by Emirates Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan. He announced that his government has become the first paperless government of the world, and it has got him savings of around 1.3 billion dirham, which is equivalent to USD $350 million and 14 million man hours. So time भी कम लग रहा है और खर्चा भी कम हो रहा है. Okay. Name the Indian who has been crowned Miss Universe 2021. Very important question, guys. So after almost a decade, Harnaaz Sandhu has become the Miss Universe. So before her, Lara Datta became the Miss Universe from India, and you can see her in the photograph. So she made the entire country proud, and she's 21 years old from Chandigarh. And after 2 decades, after Lara Datta, she has got this title. Lara Datta got the title in 2000. Okay, so I hope this is clear. We'll move forward. Another very important question, guys. Who has been recently named as Times Person of the Year 2021? Friends, here the correct answer is C, Elon Musk. He's the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. So you can see the cover and Times dedicated the magazine's cover to Elon Musk, Person of the Year. Now next one, who has been recently named as Times 2021 Athlete of the Year? Another very important question. You can see her. She is Simone Biles. And why she has got this award? Because she was praised for putting her mental health first when she withdrew from 4 events in the finals of Tokyo Olympics 2020. So उन्होंने फाइनल इवेंट से अपने आप को बाहर कर लिया था बिकॉज ऑफ शी टोल्ड हर मेंटल हेल्थ वॉज नॉट गुड. शी पुट हर मेंटल हेल्थ फर्स्ट बिफोर द फाइनल्स, जबकि वो बहुत आसानी से शायद जीत भी सकती थी, बट शी पुट हर मेंटल हेल्थ फर्स्ट देयर एंड विड्रू फ्रॉम द गेम्स. Okay, so that's why Times dedicated her as declared her as the athlete of the year. Now friends, here is the time for your assignments. आप मुझे इन तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर ज़रूर बताइए. Which is the mobile app launched by Education Ministry in order to help people acquire basic conversation ability in languages other than one's mother tongue? Next, according to the World Inequality Report, in India, the top 10% hold what percent of total national income? Last is, name the world's first train to get vegetarian certification. So this is from India. So तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर ज़रूर था, आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइएगा. ओके, So friends, we have come to an end to this video. I hope the video was helpful and I thank you so much for watching this video till the end. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और नोवेशन को सब्सक्राइब करिए. If you want to have more important videos on current affairs, business awareness, strategy etc. And as always, please visit novation.in to get the free PDFs of these lectures and to get various quizzes. और अगर आपको नोवेशन का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है so please go ahead and donate to Novation. That will be very helpful. Alright friends, so with that I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.